They're always asking for an eyeshadow tutorial, and I love to share small businesses because one video can change a small business's life. So let's combine the two and let me show you how I do my eyeshadow with this beautiful palette from LEJ Beauty. This is called the Nudes palette. It's super stunning with the gorgeous nude shades, but it also has some really fun, warm sparkles as well, so you can kind of take it from day to night. I like to start with a transition shade. I usually go somewhere in the middle of like a dark and a light. So I'm going to start right here with the color Stunner. I keep it super simple. I just start in the middle and then I just windshield wiper back and forth. You can always add more eyeshadow. It's kind of hard to take off eyeshadow without completely starting over. So take your time, just do one little tap into the pan. This is super pigmented, and then just go back and forth. When in doubt, blend it out. If you're new to eyeshadow or if you need to get out the door really fast, you can honestly throw on mascara and stop here. But we be extra around here. So I'm going to take this color right here, which is Days, and it has a beautiful shimmer to it. I like to do my lid with my finger, so look at that pigment. I'm just going to use my ring finger, and then I'm just going to start to apply to the first half of my eyelid. All right, now that we have that done, I'm just going to take that same brush and I'm just gonna kind of marry those two together to make sure that there aren't any harsh lines. All right, now one shade darker. We're kind of working in that middle row right there, and that's gonna be what I use to work the second half of my eyelid. At 39, almost 40 years old, I feel like it's important to mix finishes. So you wanna use like a matte with a shimmer. I feel like when you go all matte or you go all shimmer, it can tend to kind of age you if you have like aging skin on your eyelids or even underneath. Look at how pretty this is, and that's only 3 colors. I mean, we can take this color right here, which is called Sultry, and we can add that to the outer corner just to kind of darken that up, and then it becomes more moody. Again, you guys, when in doubt, blend it out. Look at that. This blends so beautifully, and the pigment is so sharp. All right, last but not least, I'm gonna take that same middle color, and I'm gonna just put that right here on my bottom lower lash line. I like to kind of taper it, so I put a little bit more on the outside and make it a little bit thinner as we get to the inner corner. Now, all that's left to do is put on some mascara. Okay, there we go. Mascara and a little nude eyeliner added, and boom, we have such a gorgeous look. So again, this is called the Nudes palette. It's from LEJ Beauty. I'll tag them in the caption.